So I was asked, how do I clean my gold teeth? So I'm gonna show you. These is what I use. You can get these from a lot of jewelry stores, Walmart, different jewelry supply stores have different cleaning rags and cleaning solutions. But when it comes to your mouth, it's better to use the rags. I wouldn't put liquids in your mouth because it, could get contaminated with some other stuff that can probably mess your mouth up. So, but the wipes are okay. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. Normally I just get one, and I zone in, and I hit one. I call that buffing and getting in between them. And that's just tarnish, just from brushing my teeth, because I brushed my teeth before, and it's just a tarnish that comes from having them. Normally I always wash my mouth out when I'm done, just to get the dust from off the rag or whatever. So that shows you just the tarnish. Most all of them, even when you clean your regular jewelry, it's gonna be about the same. So that's pretty much what it looks like. And pretty much, like I say, it's not nothing complicated. You don't have to do it every day. I actually do it majority of times. I hit it after I brush my teeth. Sometimes I don't. But for sure, before I go somewhere or stand out, if I want to, get clean or something, I make sure I, shine up. And it goes on. I don't believe in wearing other jewelry. I do wear gold earrings. I don't have any on right now. And I do have a gold wedding band, but I don't wear, jewelry, diamonds, and all that good stuff. You know what I mean? I just keep it simple. You know what I mean? I'm from the South, so, we believe in shining our golds up, fixing our teeth up, as we survive the Jim Crow of the South, pretty much working in cotton fields, from the rural South, not being able to take care of ourselves. So once we was able, the first thing we did was put our money into our mouths, because we could see it, and it made us feel good because we wasn't able to take care of ourselves physically, our mouths and our appearance. So a lot of our families that migrated from the South and went to, Missouri and Louisiana, was paying homage also to our native side. So it's more than just bling, it's more than just grills, it's more than just shining and oh man, he got gold teeth. It's more than that. I'm gonna tell you a story real quick before I let you go. I had a lady that's in the RV park that I met that said her son, this little white kid, probably, I don't know, under 8 years old, probably 6 to 8 years old, said he was a little afraid of me. And she was like, why are you afraid of him? He's a good guy. She was like, he got gold teeth, mommy. And she was like, what did that mean? He was like, well, the shows you watch, Locked Up, only people I see with gold teeth, they in prison, they bad people. And she was like, nah, all people with gold teeth ain't bad people. But then it shows you how we allow the kids how we allow the TV to raise our kids and not giving them proper information. And people grow up with stereotypes, grow up putting statistics, and I mean, not statistics, but grow up putting limits on people and putting guidelines on your life, thinking that, oh, if you look like this, you must be this type of person, point blank, period. And that's not what it is. You know what I mean? My goal stands for a few different things. But like I say, I'm from the South. I'm born in Little Rock, Arkansas. And this is paying homage. And this is how, I remind myself what I've been through. And I got a goal that stands for the number. It's a number that stands for new beginnings. So every time I look in the mirror and I shine my goal up, I'm reminding myself, after 10 years incarcerated, I got a second chance, and this is my new beginning. Black Phoenix.